second semester here in Adamson University. What can you say?
Ang boring kasi ilan lang yung subjects na.
Yes, puro minor lang.
I have an activity today. That is due today. Hindi pa kami nagdi-discuss na to. Submit ko lang to, then my classes start at 8:30. 15 na. So yeah, tapusin ko lang. Pasa na ako guys. Time to go to class. Hi guys, first class is done. Bukas na office na. Bukas na pa office everyone. Hi guys.
Saan kaya sa vlog mo?
Hi!
Wala.
May reklamo ako.
Ano?
Tinong pastil. Kwenta.
Hindi kasi kada ano yan. Dahil karne kasi ng peacock yan.
Wallet, as well as the stored value card or single journey ticket.
Hi guys, good morning. Today it's Wednesday and we have a class. So it's currently almost 10 p.m. 10 a.m. So nandito na si Sir. Bye-bye. So ko na umuwi guys.
And then, ano ba yung nagawa, hindi nagawa po sa climate government or mga local institutions dahil sa after the disaster, disabilitation fee. Yung ba?
Hi guys, it's break time. Tingnan mo may mabubulabog
Hi
na
vlog!
naman sa akin.
Andito na naman ako. Ako ulit. Dapat bukas may special edition yung vlog niya kasi birthday ko.
Sa pagbalik nito, may pagkain na. Yung mic nasa akin, so rinig na rin.
Ang galing! So, ayan guys. Today is January 28th. We're taking over Zach's vlog. Why? Because he's busy. Yes, he's busy. He's yapping. Yeah. By the way, my name is Mir. My name is She. And we are your hosts for this vlog. Ay, ate!
Hi vlog. So, makikita niyo yung difference ng 4th year life and 2nd year life. And 3rd year life.
Ay, hindi pala pinag
Hi guys, nasa FM Cafe kami. So ito na yung nahanap namin. Okay, 360 in the afternoon.
One word lang po or like texting? Dancing. TV.
Hi guys! Rate niyo yung cafe.
I'm gonna rate it 10 over 10 because of the vibes. It's just, yeah.
It's just so diva.
10 out of 10 because I think it's Diva and we are.
Diva. Diva's on a Diva Cafe.
Sayang kung pinauso natin yung dub nung ano yun.
O, tagadab tayo. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi guys, so kasama kami ngayon ni Zach. It's 50. 3:05. Weekend ko hanggang 5. Nagpalit kami ng laptop talaga guys. Ang gaan ng air. Uwi ko na to sa bahay. Nasaan ba yung bag ko?
Baka kusa siya nabuso.
Sa YouTube ba yan i-upload?
Kaya nga nakadance kayo.
Kayo, Community Press, you have anxiety, you have fear, that is effective sa inyong isipan. Yung influencer or yung personality to juggle multiple packs during crisis. So,
Haba ng pili, guys.
Currently PA Kantigan. Sabi nila fall in line.
Sa likod mo. I'm sorry. Super. Okay, pabalik na kami doon.
Ayun na mag-exemption.
Ano yung prelim natin?
Ayan, kung gusto mo.
Sana pinapalabas nyo ako, no?
Ay, dalas alos ko lang.
So,
Do you guys know what nuances is? The nuances, right? Like, the slight difference of other...
Kanina niya pa yung naabangan sabihin niya.
Mga walang date eh. Gago! Chonky!
Nakita namin